Hey guys, what's up? This is Alex, and today I have an unboxing of the Trezor Safe 7. So here's what came in the box, just the device itself, as well as a magnetic wireless charger. Very nice of them to include that. The device was $250, yeah, and it came with the wireless charger for free, so that was nice. So first we'll be taking a look at the magnetic wireless charger that was included. So it just has a little pull tab right here. So we'll go ahead and take that off. I don't have any fingernails, so I'll be using this multi-tool. And we'll just go ahead and slice the box open. And then we will take a peek inside. So here is the charger that is included. Very nice. It's just a puck actually. I don't know if there's, yeah, no cable inside of there, but it does come with a safety manual in case if you are not safe and throw this at somebody or hit them with it, or I don't know what could be unsafe about this. Maybe, I guess it could catch fire. Moving on, we'll go ahead and open up the box. So we have a little pull tab over here. Go ahead and pull that. Oh, it's actually shrink wrap, so we'll just go ahead and slice through the shrink wrap to get to the pull tab. There we go. And we'll just go ahead and take all that off. So now that we have the plastic wrap off, here is the box. We open it up and it says, hold it up in the left-hand corner. And then it says, great choice, your crypto, your control. And then you open it up and there is the device itself. So we have a little pull tab down here. We can go ahead and open this up. We have some Trezor branding up here at the top. There's a little pull tab, as well as a nice little pattern there. I like that pattern. So we'll put that to the side. And here's the device itself. So it looks like it comes in this kind of packing material. I'm not sure what that is, just cardboard I guess, but very nice. Here's the actual device. We have a power button over here on the side. And we have a, I assume, charging port or something similar. Underneath here, there's a genuine sticker here just to show that it hasn't been used, I guess. Here's the Trezor logo on the device. I like this pattern on it. Very, very nice. And then I guess we just have to take this off. And there is the device. So we have the Trezor logo down there. And then we have the screen. Putting the device over to the side for now. We will take a look at that later. I don't think I will be turning it on necessarily in this video, just because I don't want to do the setup on camera. Here we have a booklet with some cardboard. I'm assuming there is some, yes, setup information in here. So we can open this up and take a look. There's also a cable that was underneath here. Yeah, this is the cable. Very nice. Braided cable, USB-C to USB-C with some cable management Velcro. Here's everything that comes in the booklet. So the get started, as well as how to use it. I won't go through all of that. Wallet backup, another wallet backup. Device safety, again, in case if you throw it at somebody or decide to hit someone with it or anything like that. But there's that. Then you also get some nice Trezor stickers. I like this. Take control. Very nice Trezor stickers. So put those to the side. And then the only other thing that's in there is this, you're now unstoppable. So yeah, that is just about the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching that. This is just the unboxing. I might end up doing a review or something similar to that later. But for now, this is just going to be an unboxing. So we got the device, we got the charging cable, and we got the wireless charger. Let's see if we can, oh yes, there it goes. It just kind of attaches on there. magnetically. Not the strongest magnet, honestly, but that'll be for another video. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button. If you didn't, hit the like button anyway, and subscribe to this channel if you want to see more cryptocurrency videos or tech videos or vlogs or whatever else I decide to post on this channel. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.